Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm super excited. We're opening up the Chic beauty box. So this is obviously a beauty subscription. I've opened it here before on our channel, but one of the many things I love about this box is that it's bi-monthly, so you get it every other month. So it gives you time to use your products. Also, you spend less money compared to a monthly subscription. This is $34.99 every other month, and they feature really great brands in here. I've been really enjoying it. So I did use some of the items, a few, while I was getting ready today so I can give some first impressions. But yeah, I love this box. I was super excited when I saw it in my mailbox. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. And I believe I do have a code to help you save money, but it's not affiliated. So just to help you guys out. So thank you, Chic Beauty Box, for sending this to me. We're going to be opening the September and October box today. So let's get started. One of the items came outside the box. So it came like this, wrapped in a bag. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. Isn't it so cute? Pink Halloween. So there is some variation. So it lists all the products possible here. And on here it also talks about how they have a referral program. So just FYI, you get 20% off if you send, so your friend or family gets 20% off and you do as well when you refer someone. And you can get $10 in your Chic Beauty account. Nice. Okay, sorry, your friends or family get 20% and you get $10. So let's start with the item that came outside the box. Actually, I'm just looking over my tarot slash getting ready desk to make sure I didn't leave anything over there. I don't think I did. But this is one item I did not try, but I'm super excited. Suva Beauty. I've always liked products I've gotten from them. And this is their palette called Toppers. So this is a pressed pigment palette. Sorry, I was reading when I said that. Isn't this fun? So there is another eye product in the box that I have on. That is why I did not try this, but we're going to swatch this together because I'm super excited. So there is a mirror and there is plastic covering here. I'm going to remove that. So when you just look at it like this, you can't really tell the differences. You know, I'm so excited. I have a feeling it's going to look great. The names are super cute. Daiquiri, Lemon Drop, Cotton Candy, and Mojito. So great size. So you can just keep this out and use it with all of your palettes if you want. Let's see. So Daiquiri, you can see that pink. Ooh. So those are other products we'll talk about. So this is Daiquiri right here. And then Lemon Drop. Is it wrong? This is making me want to have a drink. I'm doing a fast right now, so I'm not going to do that. But wow, don't those swatch super well? And then Cotton Candy. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, my intuition was right. I really do like this. And then let's use my pinky finger to do Mojito. Oh, that sounds so good. Oops, I went over my knuckle. And Mojito, that lime green. Oh, those are beautiful. Again, it's these four over here. So fun. I feel like I don't even know if this is doing it justice. Cotton Candy, in person, yeah, you can see it's a bluish purple. I could just keep looking. Oh my god, so fun. I love it. So let's see, what's the pricing on this? This holographic topper palette is $35. Awesome. Now let's get into what is inside the box. So we did get an eyeliner. I did use this today. That's why it's a little bit open. This is by Maybelline. This is their 3 medium brown hyper easy eyeliner. No slip pencil, easy line, smooth glide, skip resistant. So I thought this worked really well, and I was excited to get a brown liner. I don't have any currently. I don't do big wings or anything, but I did put it on my eyes today and it worked really well. And there's a swatch of it right there. I feel like you can also use this as an eyebrow pencil if you need to, 2-in-1. I didn't try it today, but I feel like that could totally work, which is cool. So awesome. So I've noticed you usually get brand name, but sometimes we get like one or like usually one item that's from the drugstore. And I think that's cool because if you really fall in love with it, you can repurchase it for cheap. Let's see how much it is. $10. I was thinking it'd be like $7 or $8, but I guess prices are going up for everything. So this is a $10 Hyper Easy Eyeliner No Slip Pencil by Maybelline. $10. So those two items alone are already more than the value of the box. So you definitely get your value from this. And we have several items to go. Let's talk about an item I did not use today, and it's brushes. And these are by Alamar Cosmetics, which is like a throwback. I remember getting brushes from them like back when I used to get BoxyCharm. And I really like the quality of their brushes, so I am so excited. I love the gold ferrules here. Let me get this out of the... So here's the first one. Let's see what it says in here. Detailed diffuser brush. And then we have here a pigment packer brush. Oh, this is nice for the type of shadows we got if you don't want to use your fingers. Sometimes I feel like using your fingers are better for toppers, but this one's packed, that could apply better there. And then we have, ooh, this one looks cool. It's a crease control brush. This is unique. I like this. I'm excited. Is it not focusing? I'm excited to try this out. So 3 brushes by Alamar Cosmetics, super exciting in my opinion. And this is their Spanglish brush trio, and it is $18. And then next, Cover FX, that is what I have on my eyes here. This is the Shimmer Veil and Halo. I love the names of the next 2 products. So this could be used as a topper too. I just used it on my lid. So first I applied the eyeliner and then I put a little bit of this. I didn't want anything like too crazy, but I think this is really pretty in it. It's like white with a purple. I thought it would look good with this shirt. I feel like the lighting's not the best in my videos, but I really like how it looks. Yeah. I really like Cover FX, their shimmer veils, a lot. I haven't had one in a while, so I was super excited to see this. Love it. But the last item, oh, I should tell you the price of that. The Cover FX Shimmer Veil is $28, and that'll last a while too. I love it. But the last item we're gonna open today is probably my favorite. It's what I have on my lips, and this is by IT Cosmetics. This is their Pillow Lips Solid Serum 5-in-1 Tinted Lip Gloss in the shade 1111. I feel like we should all make a wish because I said 1111, even though it's later in the day. Who knows? Maybe it is 1111 by you. So I love this. It feels so nice. It's like the best chapstick ever with a tint, and it's pigmented. Here, I'll put this right here. It's like super moisturizing. That wasn't like the best swatch in the world, but you can see it on my list. It's shiny, glossy, feels so nice, and I love the color. So super excited. And the name of it, love this so much. I'm so stoked about this. I'll probably be wearing this all the time. It's a little bit of a cooler tone, so it goes well with, you know, the Cover FX Shimmer Veil and Halo. So this is $26. I'm so excited about this. So this is by far my favorite. But you guys, that was everything, and I think we got such a good amount of stuff, high quality stuff for $34.99. So we got the IT Cosmetics lip gloss, the 3 brushes by Alamar Cosmetics, the Suva Toppers palette, Suva Beauty, Maybelline eyeliner, and the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. Isn't that awesome? I think it's so awesome. I love it. What do you guys think? So let's look at the few items on here. So there could have been 2 other items. You could have gotten the Cover FX Power Play foundation. I honestly would have loved to get a foundation, but I don't think they have all of my information. When you sign up, you fill out a little survey. But I'm so happy with what I got. But I think that's cool. They include foundations. So you could have gotten that. And one other variation would be the MAC Cosmetics Extra Dimension Eyeshadow with a value of $20. So if you guys did get this box and you tried those items, please leave a comment down below so we can know how those worked out for you or if you've tried them in general. But that's it for today, guys. I am super satisfied and pleased with this subscription. I would love to know your thoughts down below. I think it was great. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Let me know how I look. I'm not used to wearing like much eyeshadow lately, but I kind of like it. It was just a little bit. Love this. Yeah, super satisfied with it. Look how fun. I miss the days of doing more beauty videos, so this was really fun for me. I hope it was fun for you guys as well. Thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Just something special for yourself. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.